Saan tayo kakain mamaya?
But I'll never forget it as long as I live and not saying a
Wala
lie.
bang take 2 to?
Wala na.
The wildest menagerie of unfortunate crazy things, and now it's all over. So raise up your glasses to brand new beginnings.
My husband, Gabriel Termulo Alcaraz, prinsipe ko. Happy first wedding anniversary today. I love you so much. Ang bilis ng panahon, di ba? 1 taon pa lang ang lumipas, pero pakiramdam ko, ang dami na nating pinagdaanan at naipagtagumpay.
Let's all welcome our newlywed, Mr. Gabriel and Mrs. Irene Alcaraz!
To come.
Syempre gusto kong mag-thank you sa lahat-lahat na, oh my God. Hindi na ata ako makapagsalita. No, wait lang. Cut na po. Cut na po. Thank you for loving me the way you do, for making me feel seen and valued. Thank you din sa patuloy na pagmamahal sa pamilya ko, nang dahil sa'yo, masasaksihan nila muli ang wedding natin, but this time, nasa tabi ko na sila. Okay naman, hindi naman siya bago sa akin kasi kinasal na kami before. Bale, second wedding namin ngayon. And anniversary din namin. Wedding anniversary.
Second, kinasal kami sa US and then dito uli for the family. Family naman, side niya.
1 year. Eksakto. Same day, July 27 din. Kinasal kami sa US and then dito naman sa Philippines.
Irene Gimoto Pascual, I vow to love you and more and even more. I vow to be faithful and true to you. I vow to protect you and defend you. I vow to provide for you. I vow to lift your spirit up when you're feeling down. I vow to make you laugh in any way possible. Hindi ka nga.
Ganun ba? Check ko ba may butas?
Ganon? Hindi pa kinakasal, tumatakbo na. Nagkasabalutan na. Oo.
Message mo daw kay mama. Hindi, sa akin daw. Sobrang swerte ko dahil ikaw ang naging asawa ko. Because of you, mas napalapit din ako kay Lord. Thank you for leading me closer to Him. And for reminding me that love is stronger when He is at the center. Ngayon, it's our first anniversary. Muli akong nangangakong mamahalin kita, iingatan ang puso mo, at laging pipiliing maging ikaw at ako no matter what life brings.
With one A steeple on a hill, standing tall.
I love you now, and I'll keep loving you more and more with every year that passes. Mr. Gabriel Termula Alcaraz, my husband, muli sasabihin ko sa'yo, pipiliin kita sa araw-araw.
Somewhere we belong.
Yes!
Somewhere we belong.
Kiss the bride daw po muna. Sorry, nakalimutan ko. Napaka-importanting bagay.